Hey guys, it's Emma from Tea and a Good Book, and I have a tea fact for you. When you're buying a kettle or pot, you want to be sure that you're buying what you need. With this one, you can't put it in the microwave because it's metal, but you can put it on the stovetop. This one you can't put in the microwave or the stovetop. It's just to look pretty. This one you definitely don't want to put in the microwave or the stovetop. And this one you want to put in the microwave only. So, what you want to do is you want to make sure to read the instructions very carefully to make sure that you're buying what you need to buy. With that being said, always make time for tea and a good book.